What's up, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the escalating conflict in Manipur, India. As you guys know, I'm always striving to bring you the most important and impactful tech news, and the situation in Manipur is a stark reminder of how technology can be used in both positive and devastating ways. And recently, a new and extremely troubling element has emerged in this conflict: the use of drones by Kuki militants. This isn't just another tech story. It's a human tragedy with potentially far-reaching consequences. For months now, the state of Manipur has been plagued by ethnic violence. The conflict is rooted in a complex web of historical grievances, land disputes, and political tensions between the Meitei and Kuki communities. Thousands have been displaced, homes have been destroyed, and countless lives have been lost. It's a heartbreaking situation, and the recent drone attacks are a serious escalation of this conflict. Now, we've seen drones used in warfare before, but what makes this situation especially alarming is that it marks the first recorded use of drones to drop bombs on civilians by insurgents in India. That's right, insurgents, not government forces. We're talking about relatively small, non-state actors now having access to this technology. This raises serious concerns about a potential arms race in the region, with both sides feeling the pressure to acquire even more advanced drones and countermeasures to keep pace with the escalating violence. And it's not just about the drones themselves. These aren't your off-the-shelf hobbyist drones. These are increasingly sophisticated machines capable of carrying significant payloads, flying autonomously, and evading detection. The technology is advancing rapidly, and as drones become even more powerful, affordable, and widely available, it's not hard to imagine this kind of drone warfare becoming more commonplace in conflicts around the world. The international community needs to pay close attention to what's happening in Manipur. This isn't just an isolated incident. It's a dangerous precedent that could have ripple effects throughout the region and beyond. The use of drones in this conflict adds a whole new layer of complexity to an already volatile situation. It raises questions about the sourcing of these drones, the level of training required to operate them, and the potential for external actors to become further involved in the conflict. The Indian government has condemned the drone attacks and is taking steps to address the situation. But as things stand, it's clear that finding a peaceful resolution to this deeply rooted conflict will require a multi-pronged approach. This includes addressing the underlying grievances of both communities, providing humanitarian aid to those affected by the violence, and cracking down on the flow of illegal weapons into the region. Now, I'm not a policy expert, but I do believe that the international community has a role to play in helping to de-escalate the situation and prevent further bloodshed. This could involve providing diplomatic support for peace talks. This could mean imposing sanctions on those who are fueling the violence, and this could also mean supporting initiatives aimed at promoting dialogue and reconciliation between the warring communities. But one thing's for sure, raising awareness about this crisis is essential. The conflict in Manipur has received relatively little international attention, and that needs to change. We need to shine a light on what's happening there and urge those in power to prioritize peace and protect civilian lives. Technology, especially the rapid advancement and proliferation of drone technology, is dramatically changing the face of warfare. And the conflict in Manipur is a tragic example of how this technology can be used to devastating effect. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's get the word out about this important issue. And as always, thank you for watching All About AI Tech. I'm constantly trying to improve the quality of my content and build a community where we can discuss these critical issues. Your support and feedback are incredibly valuable to me. So please, don't hesitate to leave your thoughts, suggestions, and questions in the comments below.